Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Atos Syntel Off-Campus Drive 2021. So guys, I think every one of you are aware about Atos Syntel. So let's discuss about this. What is the job opening and is freshers eligible or not, and the batches, last date and your job location, and definitely the most important, your salary. So your salary will be from 3 to 3.5 LPA. So guys, in our previous videos, many students have commented that sir, please add the salary also so that it is beneficial for them to watch the video. So definitely we are here to serve you. So definitely what are your wishes, we will definitely fulfill those how much we can. So guys, we are talking about Atos Syntel. So we will be discussing about the your position, or you can say your recruitment, and you can see the batches 20 and 21. So definitely your 2021 is eligible, 2021 graduates, but some of our students have tried 2020 also and they got the confirmation mail also. So that is why I have added 2020. So you can check for 2020, but 2021 is definitely eligible because it is given in the official notification. So guys, we are talking about your qualifications. So definitely your BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA are eligible. So guys, talking about your job location and all those things, watch the video till the end. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that if there is any notification, you will get it earlier. So guys, we on daily basis provide you 2 to 3 videos on government or private job alerts, but definitely we are more focusing on private job alerts because the students are really worried. Means the students, if I talk about 2020 batch, 19 batch, 21 batch, because they are freshers and they do not have any experience, so they are facing bit difficulty. So that is why we are here to serve them. So we are basically talking about more talking about the private jobs. So definitely we will be covering 2 to 3 on daily basis. So, and one more thing, our jobs will be really helpful to you and are definitely valid. We did not cover 5 to 6 videos on daily basis because what happens, like from 5 to 6 videos, 2 to 3 are genuine, and after that are, you also know about all those things, because daily 5 to 6 videos. So you can see in 30 days, that means in a month, you are going to have 1500 jobs. So I think this is next to impossible. So that is why I'm saying we used to cover 2 to 3 videos and that are really genuine. So firstly we apply to the post. We means our student, we or anyone, and then we are here to tell you about the position. So guys, we have applied to this also because last time what happened in Atos Syntel, like the link was not working. I do not know that was working or not, but this time what we did right now, like I am recording the video, before 15 minutes I have applied to that one of my students details, and it is definitely working. So I will be telling you the form also, and after filling what it shows in the desktop. So guys, let's talk about all those things now. So guys, as you can see on the screen, Atos Syntel, and here we are with eligibility criteria. So you can see 2021 full-time graduates are eligible from a recognized university. So that means 2021 is eligible. As I told you in our initial video, that 2020, some of the 2020 students have applied and they got the mail. So you can also try. So after that, talking about your streams or courses. So BE, BTech, Computer Science and IT means CS and IT, and MCA with computer applications means your computer science type, means your computer applications, it is a course. So after that, talking about your aggregate percentage. So minimum 60% in your 10th, 12th and your graduation, and post graduation if you have done your MCA, or you can go with the means like from your BTech, BE, BTech. If you are ME, MTech also, then also you are eligible for it. After that, talking about backlog. So definitely they are not asking for any of the backlogs, means you do not have any of the pending backlogs. Yes, if you have and you have cleared and got the result, so there is no issue. After that, talking about your education gap. So maximum 1 year break in education is allowed. So you can see from 10th, you can see from 10th SSC to highest qualification, means your education gap will be from, should be from 10th class to your highest qualification, means if you are UG undergraduate or you are PG postgraduate. Talking about your drive. So drive is online. So let's talk about your this selection process also. So the selection process takes 3 steps, sorry, and these are: first is online test your, and after that your technical interview, and after that your HR. So talking about the prerequisites, so you can see good written and verbal skills should be there, flexible to work in any of the shift, like morning, evening or afternoon, whatever. 24/7 you must be flexible to the work. After that, your job location should be Pune, Mumbai, Chennai and Tirunelveli. After that, Atos Syntel reserves the right of allocation. Okay, means allocation means you can suggest like your location, like they have provided you these 4 locations. So you want, if you want to be in Pune, but they allocated to your Chennai, so that means they have full rights for the allocation. So guys, let's talk about now. So guys, if you still have any problem, so this is your guidelines form. You can see guidelines form issued by Atos Syntel. If you have any problem, so definitely you can go through this, but I'm going to tell you each and everything so that there will be no problem. So while pausing the video, you can read these things. This is your form. Like your form means in Aadhaar card what you have to enter your 12-digit number. If you are entering 11-digit number, so definitely you are going to face the error. So these are the things. So you can pause the video and watch these things carefully. So after that, talking about your your education qualification, I mean these are the things which you have to fill in their forms. So for filling also, you can take the screenshots also if you have any issues. Like for this CV, many students have doubt, and one of our student has asked that, sir, means what about the file size? I am continuously uploading PDF file, but it is not like it is continuously showing error. So you have to upload the doc file, getting, and that file should be less than 2 MB. So you can see these things. So after that, coming to your form, so that it will be easier to you. So you can see this is your form. I will provide the link in the description. Do not worry about that at all. And you can see your Aadhaar card, PAN card, prefix, your first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, mobile number, gender, email, and your validate your email. So what you have to do in this, you have to write the email here, and after that, it on this email they will show a confirmation message, and you have to copy that message, because it will be a bit lengthy, I think 15 to 20 words. So you have to copy the message from your mail ID and directly paste here, and you have to verify the mail. And after verifying, so you can go through these things, and after that you have to next, and after that you will come on the resume portal, or you will be asked some of the things like, are you postgraduate or undergraduate? So this is your complete form. If you have still any doubt, so you are welcome in the comment section. So now coming to the final step, means when you will keep the all the details in your form, like your documents and all those things. Documents basically here they required about the resume only, and after that if there is anything, so you can upload it. So after that, you can see, when you will apply to this, so they will provide you a link like thank you for registering for Syntel, and your submission has been received, your candidate is this, candidate ID they have provided you. And after that, see, they have provided you the note also. See, only eligible candidates will be allowed to participate in the campus recruitment drive as per the campus eligibility criteria by Atos Syntel. And you can see Atos Syntel is not required to give any reason for rejection or disqualification of any candidature. That means if you are selected in this, you will be provided a link for your online test, and after that, if you got selected, so that means they are not going to send you a rejection mail. Getting? So you will not be provided any of the rejection mail, so directly they will reject you and will not inform you anything. So guys, these are the things. We have filled the form also, and we have shown you the last page of the form, when you will complete that, so you will get your ID, etc, etc. So you can see these things. So this is all for today. So we have covered in detail each and everything of Atos Syntel, because last time we got 2 to 3 comments that our students were really tense, that, sir, we are not able to fill the form. So that is why this time we have filled the form by our own, and we told you about all those things. So you can see from there you can fill the form, and I will provide the link in the description. Do not worry about that. So if you like this video, or you find it useful, so subscribe our channel and share with your friends, so that they could also get benefit. So guys, this is all for today. So we will meet you in some another video. So all the best, take care, and God bless you all.